Yeah, this is a this is a Porsche T equipment, that Porsche Dashcam. Okay, the part number of this box is where it is. Sorry. Yeah, it's over here. Can you see it? Okay. And if you open it, you will see this Dashcam quick guide. So inside got a lot of different languages, like a user manual lah. Okay, by this way. And you have some cable tie and two cameras. This is a front camera. Yeah, this is a type C port. The camera. Yeah. Okay, there's a Wi-Fi light and also a button which can press on and off or turn on the voice recording. This is SD card. Okay. And this is the rear camera. Okay. Yeah. The connector is over here. Two cables. Yeah, this is for the rear camera, and this is for the front camera. This will mounting on the windscreen. Double side tape by this way. Okay. The part number of the cable. This. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.